I made these Nashville chicken sandwiches in the slow cooker and it was so good. They're sweet, savory, a little bit spicy, and they were incredible. Let's make them. Spray your slow cooker with nonstick spray. Place your boneless, skinless chicken breast inside of your slow cooker and season it with brown sugar and a bunch of spices, salt, pepper, and then place some unsalted butter slices on top. Cook on high for 4 hours or on low for 6 hours, and this cooked perfectly. It was just falling off the bone. Not the bone, just falling apart. You can shred it with an electric mixer, but I just did it with the tongs and then I went back in with a fork. For the sauce, you're going to need some unsalted butter, brown sugar, and some spices, salt, and just once it comes up to a simmer, whisk it really good. You don't want it to thicken too much, and then that's pretty much it. It's like a caramel almost. It was so good. I served these on brioche buns. I toasted them, buttered them, and poured the sauce over top, served them with some pickles, and that's it. Enjoy!